Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to fix Snapchat SS07 problem. If you want to fix this problem, I'm going to guide you on how you can actually fix this problem. So first off, if you're coming across this channel, please do to subscribe to this channel. Let's dive right into the video. The first step you need to take, you need to go to your Play Store. On your Play Store, you are going to be searching for Snapchat. And if your Snapchat is not up to date, you need to go ahead and update your Snapchat on your Play Store. Or let's type in Snapchat. So as you can see here, my Snapchat is not up to date. So I'm going to be pressing the update icon at the top right corner of the screen and click on update, and let it update. The next step you need to take, you need to tap and hold on the Snapchat, click on the app info. Here you're going to be going to the storage. Clear the cache of the Snapchat. You can go ahead and clear the storage and relog in your account if you have your password, but if you don't, you can go ahead and just clear the cache and leave it that way. But if you know your password, I advise you to clear the storage also. And after doing that, you need to go ahead and try your Snapchat. I know it's going to fix the problem that way. So that is it on how you can actually fix Snapchat SS07 problem. If you found this helpful, because I can't write on this video, please just subscribe to the channel. Tell me in the comment section if you find anything difficult on Snapchat. I won't hesitate to give you guys feedback. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.